Morning track fans, morning Albert, how you doing? And welcome to today's edition of Top Tips. And what we're going to learn to do today is we're going to learn to build ramps and bridges, because it's all very good having a flat Scalextric track, but if you're going to have ramps, then you're going to have derailings, you're going to have crashes, you're going to have rollovers, you're going to have great fun. So let's learn how to do this now. So firstly, it's okay to not have the proper kit. We're going to, in part 2 of this episode, have a look at using the real gear. But in the meantime, we all start with improvising with our imagination. So let's start at the beginning. You have to think, where is the beginning of the ramp? Here we go. So if you have your Scalextric piece, you need to make sure you're protecting, if you're on an improvised ramp, the center. Okay, so you have a nice flat surface and then you build it up from there. The object is to support the joints, because the joints are the bit that have the most flexibility and will cause your car to not work. It will just sit here spinning because it has no contact. So we'll build it up. Here we go. So what we put in there, that's good. So we've protected the joint with a thin tile. We've got a bit of hair gel. We've got some of Dad's sandpaper. We've got a book. We've got a Tupperware dish. And down this end, we've got some business cards. There you go. And we've got another tile. And we've protected the joints, so as we drive our car over, apart from that little bit there, that's better. We've got full protection. Should we try it out? Come on track fans, let's do this. Yeah, we've got a ramp. Yes. Whoa, right, okay. Let's move into part 2. We're going to show you the real kit. So, I'll just pause there. Welcome back track fans, part 2 of the episode, how to build ramps and bridges and maybe even jumps if you do it extreme enough. But here we go. So these guys here, these are bridges. This is what you make a bridge with. You buy these from Scalextric or online, wherever you want. But with the objects we used before, that's all free, that's at home. You can get on with playing tracks straight away. With these guys, whereas we said we support the centre, remember we have to look after the joints. It's a similar difference. These go over, I've always found the best results, the joints. There you go. And I've got that in place. That's good, but you have wobbles here. So what you can get is these track supports. These are really cool. And they basically come together so you can get more height. I haven't actually put these together so you can see how big it is if you put them all together. It'd be like, oh, here somewhere. That'd be amazing. So we're going to start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Okay, that's kind of like lifting the track up here. So that's not going to work. So let's try 3. And off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a bit better. So remember, you've got to try and support the joints. You don't want them to crack and break, because then we're going to have to buy more Scalextrics and we can't buy no more cars. There you go. And then we gradually lower it. So the next one you use 2 and bring it down here. There we go. On there. This one. Here we are. There you go. So nice and supported ramp. And then we'll use 1. So we'll do that on this side. So we started with 3. We've got a 3 there. We've got a 3 here. Right, here we go. Got that near to the joint. Lovely. And then I think I'll use on this end, because it's so close to the corner, I think I'll use 1. And I think because if you run out of these bits or these bits, which are supports and clips, there's nothing wrong with just putting them under the track. Put that under the track there, put that under the track there, and wow, we've got ourselves a good track. Right, let's see how it performs, shall we, track fans? Ready, Albert? Here we go. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. So what you can see is that whereas you can use your homemade improvised stuff and it will be cool, if you become a bit more enthusiastic or you really like it or you just want it to look the same, you can control the different heights with the exact measurements of each size. So you can make it look pretty much perfect. Okay? Right, track fans, that concludes this section of the top tips episode, I mean. Okay.